Welcome. This is Dr. Richard Goodfellow, and welcome to the website. You're looking for information on snoring. That's very good. Snoring is not just annoying for the people or person you're sleeping with, but it's actually a sign of things to come. Children snoring. Children who snore, it is usually an airway issue, and it has been proven medically that children who snore often have trouble or issues with school. There could be an IQ issue, there could be an attention issue, but children who snore, children who have interrupted sleep, which can be a more complicated level of snoring, have issues as far as daytime activity is concerned. Adults who snore, besides the obvious, keeping your spouse awake, there could be breathing issues. You need to understand how your snoring is caused and what you can do about it. And sometimes it's very, very simple, but it is very, very important to look into this. Please fill in the form on the screen to your left or call my office, 1-888-634-4273. We can find out why you're snoring and quite often solve your problem. Looking forward to hearing from you.